Okay, good morning guys, this is what it is again. Today we're back. Yesterday guys was amazing. If you guys saw these numbers, they came as like this, and it was only few 48, 47 and 46, which I said you must spin and make it a 49. That was amazing. So you know what I learned about these guys? If these guys, let's say we do a code today and then it does not drop, we drop it again tomorrow. That is what they are doing. So we're going to be attacking with two codes one way. We are not going to reverse. I've seen this is what these guys are doing. So we just have to be very careful there. So let us start. We're going to start here with this one. We say 30 plus 43 and then plus 55. Let's see what we're going to get. 30, 43, 55. Then we're going to say 40 plus 33 plus 55. Let's see, it was 30 plus 43. I'm wrong. 30 plus 43 plus 55. That's 128. So check this out. If the code says 128, sorry, it says 128. We write it down first, then I'm gonna go to the other one. So our first code is 128. I just want to teach you this thing, guys. It's 128. Then we go and say 47 plus 48. 47 plus 48 plus 55 is 150. So today, I don't know what they're going to do, because if the code says 150 and then the other one says 128, what comes into your mind now? In UK49 we don't have a 50 and a 5 has already dropped. So meaning that this number which we always play, 15, is going to come again today. 15 must drop today as a 15, because if ever they can take the 10, maybe yes, we can put the 10 on the side, but I'm quite sure it's going to happen like this. 15 must drop. Then after this we're going to go to this one, the bottom one. Say 1 plus 28 is 29. 1 minus 28, that's 27. So either way, we can bank with 28 and 15. So from there, we will know that we have a correct banker that can give us some money today. Okay, so before we go any further, I just need to also go and make sure about that other strategy that I told you guys about. Remember that strategy of counting, the one that I also did yesterday. It is like this. It's the same thing, but we're going to try to do this in this way. We say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It helps because it shows us the lower numbers that we always miss. We say 3 plus 1 is a 4. 2 plus 5, that's a 7. 3 plus 8, that's an 11. Then 1 plus 7 plus 4, that should be a 12. So it means 12 is going to drop. And yesterday they did skip that 12. I don't know what happened. Then we say 3 plus 5, we get an 8. Here we say 4 plus 3 plus 6. That should give us 13. Okay. Then don't worry about the bonus. I don't normally use it. So, which means here I'm going to pick 12 from these lower numbers. And I'm not sure who's presenting today, but it's fine. Then we are done now with the codes. Let's go to the hot and cold numbers. There's this other app. It's called hot and cold numbers. Where is that app? This one. We open that app now. We're going to check. You just say get code. We check now which number is. Let's see who's is Tony. Oh, this one is going to come up with another thing. So now, as you can see from the hot and cold, the number that is sitting on cold numbers here, 15 is sitting on cold numbers, and it's also on the overdue. It's removed from the overdue numbers. So which means now I'm okay when I say 15 or 27, because I don't see the 12 here, but there's a chance of this 35 to come out from the overdue numbers to be there also. So we can also take the 35 because it appeared on overdue numbers and also it appeared on the cold numbers, which means it hasn't dropped. If a number like 35 appears twice, you must know that it's a good show number. And this other number that I skipped yesterday, 19, is there on the overdue numbers, which means we are going to repeat this 19 because it did not play yesterday. You see, there's a reason why, guys, I say some of the numbers will repeat, because if a number is overdue, it means it can pop anytime. If it's cold, it means it's closer to it's closer to playing. Then if it's hot, which means it's gonna be repeating now and then, like 5. 5 is hot, as you can see from hot and cold numbers and the overdue numbers. So I just wanted to verify with this to be sure that when we start playing today, we know exactly what we are doing. So yeah, guys, this is what it is. There's so much to learn in this game. So I saw someone was commenting saying, "Coach, I don't know where to get the book." That video that I posted for 550 is just an example. Don't worry about like it's for a month ago. No. It's the same strategy that they are using this week. You know what they do? These guys, they will use a strategy for a week, then they change it to another one. So which means the other strategy that we use, because I was checking like, oh, okay, they've gone back to that strategy, which they are now using. That's why I had to post that video for you guys to remind you, which, hey, guys, this is what these guys are doing. You understand? So it's not like it's a mistake. No, I saw it exactly. Then now, guys, we check here. We say 5. We say 17. These numbers are still hot. As you can see, they play twice. It's not a repeat. It means it's a hot number. Let's call it that way. It's not a repeat, but it's a hot number. So, as I've seen that is Tony was playing. Tony normally, his strategy is this one of adding these numbers. Let's go and add them. It's 30, 43, 47, 48. We're going to say 47, 48 plus 30 plus 43. We get 168. So, come let me show you something. If you add these numbers and then you get 168, if you get a code like this, you must know. You go back and track. Did 18 play? Yes, it did play the other day. Did 8 play? Yes, it did play. So now we're going to add 16 plus 8. We get a 24. So sometimes that's why you see this 24. It will come again because of now when you add it and the 8. So we'll be like, hey, these guys are repeating. No, they are not. The code is saying they must repeat. Then with the 16, I'm going to spin that 16 and make it a 19. So guys, I'm showing you different tricks so that you can know, sit down, okay, let me do this, you do that, and then at the end of the day you can come up with something that can amaze you. Definitely sure today we are going to get something, because yesterday we got those who played 3 times. I'm definitely sure that they boomed, because there was correct 3 numbers there, and the bonus was also there as a 46. Oh, that video, I'm surprised. Okay, yeah, guys, so I'm gonna leave a comment in the first section of the video. Thank you very much. You guys stay safe, don't drink and drive.